Now let's do the exercise from page number 57, comparison fraction. Children, you can see this first question over here. You have to write down this question and then draw this and color it. And here you have to write down the answer. Can you see, children? Now here it is. They have made two parts, so it will be 1 upon 2. Here they have made three parts, so we will write 1 upon 3. Okay. Then the third one, they have made 4 parts, so we will write here 1 upon 4. Next one, they have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, so we will write, and they have colored only one part, so we will write 1 upon 5. In the next, they have made 6 parts, so we will write here, and colored only one part, so we will write here 1 upon 6. Now see the next question. Which is the smaller fraction, 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 3? 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 3? The answer will be 1 upon 3. Okay. Now which is the smaller fraction in 1 by 5 and 1 by 6? So 1 by 6 is the smaller fraction. Now which is the bigger fraction, 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 5? Here it will be 1 upon 3 is the bigger fraction. Then write the sign less than or greater than in the boxes given below. Now children, keep in mind when in the fractions, the number which is small will be greater. The number which is greater, the denominator which is small will be greater. Okay. Now here it is 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is greater. Now here second one, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 3 is greater. 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. Here 1 by 3 is greater. Next 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 is greater. Greater than. And here 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So here it will be 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. And the next, the 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So 1 by 4 is greater. And 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. So children, now let's see the next question. Question number 5. As the denominator of the fractions with numerator 1 keeps increasing, what happens to the value of the fraction? What happens to the value of the fraction when the numerator what happens to the fraction when the numerator, the value of the fraction in the denominator keeps changing? In the fraction, in the denominator keeps increasing while the numerator is 1, then the value of the fraction decreases. What will be the answer? The answer you will write in this way. See here children, you will write the answer in this way. In the fraction, if the denominator keeps increasing while the numerator is 1, then value of the fraction decreases. This is the answer you are going to write for question number 5. So children, now question number 6. Which is the smaller fraction, 1 by 6 or 1 by 9? So you have to draw this first here. Okay children, color one part, make 6 parts, color one part, and then you will see 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by 9. Therefore 1 by 9 is smaller than 1 by 6. Which is smaller? 1 by 9 is small. You have to do the sum in this way children. Okay. Now see the 7th question. Fill in the boxes below with the proper sign from equal, less than, greater than. Now 1 upon 8 is greater than 1 by 10. 1 by 5 is smaller than 1 by 3. 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 2. 1 by 15 is greater than 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is smaller than 1 by 15. 1 by 200 is smaller than 1 by 100. So children, and the last one, 1 by 3 and is equal to 1 by 3. See children, this sum is in your textbook, page number 56, question number C, 7. I am showing you one again. 1 upon 8 is greater. Okay. 1 by 5 is smaller than 1 by 3. 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 2. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Then 1 by 15 is greater than 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is greater than, 1 by is smaller than 1 by 15. And 1 by 200 is also smaller than 1 by 100. 1 upon 100. Now number 8, you have a fruit. Using that fruit, how will you explain to your friend that 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 2? The last question, children. See here, for that you have to do the sum in this way. Can you see? First write down the question, then draw this circle. Now suppose you are having one orange. If you have to make into two parts, we will cut into half, one half this way. So here I divided the fruit into two parts. Each person will have a big share. Now the same orange, if I cut into 4 parts, then there will be small pieces, 1 upon 4. So here I have divided the fruit into 4 parts. So each person will get a small share. Therefore 1 upon 4 is less than 1 by 2. This last question, children, you have to do it this way. You have to draw this diagram and write down this. In front of this picture write down this, and in front of this picture write down this. Okay children, all these questions of page number 57 you have to do in your maths notebook.